I would just like to start by saying that this is I don't know, maybe it's not a weird background, but I'm not sure which video is going up first, the empty house tour or this one, which is my Fabfitfun unboxing. But if the empty house tour is going up first, I will link that video. I am filming in my filming room, office, whatever you want to call it. And the floor just got installed yesterday and I love it. And the walls are white as well. If you saw the empty house tour, originally the walls were gray. And I just have a snake plant in the back as kind of a decoration because I'm literally sitting on the floor filming this video. That was a very long intro. Hey guys, my name is Hannah. If you are new here, I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be the Fabfitfun unboxing. I haven't officially opened this box yet, but you can look online to see what you're getting, and I did already do that. Okay, so one of the items that I customized and I'm very excited about is this lunchbox, let me see what it's officially called, cooler bag. I live in Florida, so this will come in handy for whenever I go to the beach. Very excited about this. Opens up like that, and then let me show you what the inside looks like. Just has this lined inside that will keep your items cool. And I also really like yellow, so I don't know, I think this is really cute. Definitely summery, very excited about that. The next thing that I got was this makeup sponge. I did not choose this, but this is by the brand Makeup Drop. And this retails for $20. I don't know, I used a beauty blender for a while, but then I didn't like it as much. Maybe I should give this a chance. Like, that's just personal preference. Obviously, this is another item that I customized as well. It's like the same color. I will say that I do like this color, purple, lavender. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I've used this before, but I completely used it up. I do have oily skin, but I didn't think that it was too heavy on my skin, and I'm almost out of my nighttime moisturizer, so I will probably be using this next, or I mean, go ahead and use it. I might also do that as well. Let me show you what the container looks like. This is what the container looks like. I think it's aesthetically pleasing. I think that this is really pretty. Also, I have a medicine cabinet. I had a medicine cabinet installed in my bathroom that I'm very excited about because I'm going to use that to store my skincare, or mostly to store my skincare. So I don't know, this just reminded me of that. This is definitely going to go on the shelf with some more of my skincare. It sells for $65. So this retails for $65. Also, if you're unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, it is a subscription box that is $49.99 a month. So as you can see, this alone, which I don't know, personally, I can't see myself paying $65 for this. Like, I would at least want to try to get it on sale or something. But I've already paid less for the box than this moisturizer full price. You know what I'm saying? So it is a really good deal. I do love Fabfitfun. I'm also really excited about this as well. This is a wireless charging pad. This is another thing that I chose. I think it's really pretty. It's this floral print, and then it has the USB. So I guess you need like a wall block to attach it to the wall, which I do have one of those, but yeah, I think that this is really pretty, right? I mean, I'm very, very excited about that. Next up, I have this foot cream from the brand Tarocco, however you pronounce this. This retails for $24. I will definitely be using this as well. And it is the scent Sicilian Blood Oranges. I like the scent of citrus. I'm assuming that that'll smell good. Let me see what it smells like. It's kind of a light scent, but it does smell good. Also, it's like 6 p.m. whenever I'm filming this. I cleaned an Airbnb before this, and I 100% curled my hair, did my makeup for this video. I just needed to point that out. Like, I was going to do light makeup, but I ended up basically doing a full face of makeup. Cause like, I don't know, to me, once I like put on eyeshadow, I ended up basically doing a full face of makeup. And after this, I'm probably going to clean some more or something, I don't know. This is also a really, really pretty box. This is a aloe and tea tree toner. How much does this cost? This retails for $54. And some bubble wrap. And it's just like a solid red glass container. Okay, I was not expecting that. Very pretty. Looks really, really nice. It says it's anti-aging, so excited to try this out as well. You guys know, or if you haven't seen my channel before, I do love skincare. Also, I love that this box is mostly skincare, and then the non-skincare items, well, this isn't skincare, but it's for makeup. But like this is obviously non-skincare, but I customized it, like I chose that, and then the wireless charging pad obviously is non-skincare as well, but that is also something that I chose. So I love skincare, so very, very happy about this box. This is also pretty. Like I know it's just clear, but I guess I like this sticker. Pretty. This is the Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. Once again, I do live in Florida, so I will probably be using this as well, or put this to use. I was also happy to get that. And then the next thing I got was this roll-on fragrance oil. It's not skincare, but it's beauty. Let's see what this smells like. Also a pretty bottle. This retails for $50, and this After Sun Spray retails for $42, which to me is really surprising because this is only 4 ounces. But anyway, I'm definitely going to use that. Let's see what this smells like. Okay, I can't describe it, but I really, really like this scent. That is everything that I got in my box. If you like this video, once again, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you liked this video, I think you'll also like this video right here. Just click right here to go check that out. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.